Dear Pisces, this is the garden of worth, the reclaiming of value and the spirit of simplicity. This deeply personal cycle moves through your second house, the realm of self-worth, values, money, and the resources that support your incarnation. Saturn and Neptune are asking, what do you truly need to feel worthy? And how do you care for what you have been given? The second house is often associated with the myth of Demeter, goddess of grain and the earth's abundance. She reminds us that value is cyclical, sacred, and rooted in nourishment.